What up, what up, what up? Let's see what's going on. What up? My channel. I'm live now. Yes, here we go. I think I'm gonna change my change the name of this because I'm not doing the grid search anymore. I'm finished with that. What I am doing is updating here to support. I'm not doing anything, just a random session, just random work. Cool. So I'm gonna post this to LinkedIn and Twitter. I'm actually really excited. I found something really cool, something called Papers with Code. I'm pretty sure I found it before. Cool. Is this auto post or something? Excuse me. Deep learning, hashtag AI, hashtag live coding, hashtag live work. Alright, I posted my shit. It's really cool. I found something, Papers with Code, and if you look at it, I can this thing just has all of the papers, and it's got evaluation metrics for all of the papers, and it sort of sorts them by get stars. But it has all the code, so I can find it. I can look at the best fucking stuff in machine learning, and then just try it out, implement it, and you know, work it into different projects I have going on. So right now I'm looking at some keyword spotting for embedded systems, which I think I'm going to be using a lot for some of my internal projects. Well, email should not be on that screen. Close this. Okay, yeah. So I mean, I was looking at it. I'm not looking at trained right now. I just want to see what it's. I think it uses the Google. Yeah, it's speech command. Okay. This is interesting. Let me go ahead and clone this into my GPU machine. Let's see. SSH Chris. Go. go. I got the one person. I wonder who watches me. So far, no one's ever talked. Oh, you know what I have to do with this this computer? It's so filled with stuff. And no. Disk analyzer tool. This thing's filled with just files, like tons and tons of files, and I need to free up some damn space. So I'm just looking up a couple disk space analyst tools. I don't know. Command line. And gonna try to take care of it. See, I found one the other day, but I found the one the other day and I downloaded it, but I don't remember the name. NCDU is what was. Cool, so that's going through. No music today. Maybe I should put some tunes on. I'm going to Italy tomorrow. Well, today actually, in the early morning tomorrow. I guess 1 a.m. is my flight, so I probably won't be able to live stream tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to live stream while in Europe, unless I'm out doing touristy things. Just to keep the work up, just keep the habit going. I actually really like live streaming so far. I feel like it helps. I don't know. It's easy to get distracted when... It's easy to get distracted. And then when I have the live stream going, if I feel like I'm about to get distracted, I can sort of just turn and then talk to you guys for a bit about what I'm doing. Sort of get me back into the mental state of doing a bunch of this stuff. Google. Paste. Oh. Okay, clone. But I'm gonna try this. Git repro out and see how it performs, the keyword spotting, because it has quantization too. Quantize. It's got basically you can make the models really small. It converts the floating point math and the models into integer math. So it reduces the size and reduces the computation cost of running the model. Really useful for embedded devices. You don't lose that much accuracy at all. Okay, so this is done now. ML. I don't know who uses dash. It's weird. Okay, let's see. Let's have this start. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think it's still training. It's running my experiments, yeah. I wonder how that's going. Files law. You remember a couple days ago I set up grid search for this repo called Honk, because I wanted to try out a whole bunch of different settings to see which ones were working the best. And yeah, it's still going. It's gonna take like it's 800 something experiments. I got one GPU in this machine, and it's gonna take a boatload of time, actually, a week around to finish. It should you know, I also have to, I feel like I have to, ooh, 100% utilization. Oh, you know what? I don't think it's clearing the models. Interesting. I wonder what kind of models it's making right now, because right now it's utilizing 100% of the GPU. But before, when it was training the res networks, it wasn't training. It was only training at 19. It was only using 19% of the GPU. Not sure what's going on there, but I think something interesting to look into. Maybe ResNets. Let's see. Training res net not using 100% GPU. My fucking connection closed. I wonder if there's a browser-based terminal, like a Chrome-based terminal where I can like SSH into, I don't know, it's like it's running some kind of Docker container. That way I can use my browser's VPN, which is fucking, it was very fast. Just SSH client would be enough, I think. Let's see, actually, because my Firefox terminal is way faster. But that wouldn't help my OBS. This is terrible. This is really annoying, actually. Living in China sucks for the internet, I'm telling you. It's not worth it. I gotta get out of here. So you got tons of internet problems, nothing ever really works. Yeah, I keep on losing connection. I'm not very impressed. And they don't seem to care about the effects it has on IT workers. I mean, just the amount of time that it takes to work on within these two different internets is crazy. Like, it's a real big drag. Let's see. Got audio. I got honk. We got the models right here. Let's see how many models we have. Oh, data models. Let's see. It takes a while to load. Ooh, it's a lot. 304 files. Fuck yeah. They're all the same size though. Are they all the same? Let's see. That's pretty cool. You know what I gotta do? I gotta quit this and put it into a TMUX session. Otherwise, I'm gonna lose connection again with it, and it's gonna suck. And NCDO. That way it won't lose it and it'll run in the background. Connection closed here. I'm gonna make another TMUX session. TMUX new OS keywords got it. Okay, so let's go into the audio thing. ML, I was right. Okay, now we're in game. So see how to use this bad boy. Let's see. This already has support for a whole bunch of shit. Ooh, back in action. Okay. Okay. Let me make a. Is there requirements? No requirements file, huh? That's weird. Come on. Really? No requirements file at all? Who released this code? ARM software. Is it like the ARM CPU company? No. No. Oh well. Let's see. Virtual. Oh, so I'm going to make a virtual environment that I'm going to work in. Python 3. And then we're going to install all of the specifics. think this is TensorFlow. See if this works, guys. Trying to get my piece of gold. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Activate. Install. Embed CLI. Okay. This is running an inference. Is it deployment? Okay. That would explain that. This is done. Python train. Okay, so there's no requirements here. That's so annoying. Oh, so I'm gonna just install everything and then generate a requirements file. I might push that. Or I'll have to push it. See, when you fix something in the in a repo, see if make a pull request. Maybe they'll add it and help the community out. Especially if you're getting like you find something very useful to you. It's always nice to give back. Lots to do before I leave. I'm gonna upload some files. What's the best way to upload files to give people? Probably Google Drive. I can do this Drive. I'm gonna make an Italian TV show. So I'm sending some training data to a team that's gonna tag it right now. It's a bunch of Italian TV shows. Don't ask me what it's for. Is there a way to generate, like, I've run a command and then it tells me everything that's needed? Generate, require. And then I gotta see, I downloaded them with torrent. So I think I gotta go and send it off. Boris? Yes. I was supposed to record my first podcast. We're doing like a reading podcast today, but I got a friend who's going through. The friend I'm supposed to do it with isn't having a good time recently, so I don't think we're gonna get to that today. It's a shame. I like doing stuff like that. Yeah, I think the connection closed. Yeah, it's not working. So I gotta reconnect again. Fuck, the internet is so slow. What is going on? I do not understand this. Come on, I can't. This fucking internet is always like this. It's always like this. The internet. It's always messed up. I can't have like a single day without having issues, and it throws me off every time. It throws me off the work. This is gonna take an hour to upload. I'm streaming. Maybe I should stop streaming. I want to stream though. Okay, I'm gonna cancel all of these and get rid of this, because maybe this is causing my issues, and then just try again when I'm about to leave or have some lunch or something. I don't know. Oh, fucking having a bad day.